And when in the 20s he started his career as a race car driver, and he was known to be very quick in tight corners, and actually he won twice on a Bugatti, the Targa Florio, which is a racetrack in southern Italy, in Sicily. And therefore for us the pick was very easy in the combination. So here it is, the Bugatti Divo. And for the unveiling, how we do the unveiling? For the unveiling I call on stage Stefan Elwood, who is our Vice President for R&D, and Achim Anscheid, who is our Director of Design. Gentlemen, the Bugatti Divo. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the Bugatti Divo. This is the world premiere. It's very exciting also for me, I can tell. And I will talk a bit about the design with the performance, and then I will want to wrap it up. So for us, as I said, the design has to be unmistakably recognizable as a real Bugatti. So there are three key elements which are important for us, paramount. The first one is the big horseshoe here in the front. The second one is the center line, which is cutting the car in half. And then we have the signature line, which is this line. And these are the three key elements which are certifying a Bugatti in our view. Also, if you don't see the logo and the brand. And now, for us, performance is key. So, form follows performance is one of the main drivers for our designers. So to get better cooling and more downforce, we increased a lot the air intakes. We have a big front spoiler, and we have a NACA duct on top of the car,